It's the Paul Corn Bow Hunting Channel.
Tim Gass is on the hunt of a lifetime, looking for an African lion. The guys here are sorting out a set of tracks. Well, it's on now. It's amazing how these guys can track on this type of dry ground. It's go time now as the lion has been spotted, so they try to get Tim into position for a shot.
Right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Get another one in, get another one in. Get another one in, quickly, 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 quickly. Right, can you see her? Can you see her shoulder? Right, yes, yeah, right in front of it. Perfect, 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 right. Just ready? Perfect, perfect, right. Just ready? Perfect. Another one into her chest, Tim. There, she's going down. There she's going, right, wait. Oh.
No, I'm excited. Thank you for calling that shot for me, guys, because I would not have taken it.
You've done very, very well. Two superb shots. Come back.
They just need to make 100% sure that this lion is dead.
I've got you covered, eh? Okay.
They take their time and approach cautiously, as this is a very dangerous animal.
Go on. Congratulations. Very, very well done. You did superb shooting.
There you go, Tim.
Oh man, thank you. Well done.
That was very cool.
Thank you, eh?
Gentlemen,
Thank you.
Hey, you the fucking
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
We went out looking for a track, and within, 100 yards, we saw a lioness track. So we took her track, and we must have spooked her a couple of times, and she was probably 10-15 minutes ahead of us. And at one stage, she kind of circled around us and climbed a tree, and we missed her. And I'd say about 20 minutes after that, we went with the vehicle and cut the next block. And from the truck, one of the trackers spotted her lying 5 yards from the road in a thicket. So we did a little stalk, and you got yourself a beautiful cat.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Congratulations, Tim. What a great trophy.